In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your product backlog and sprints using Asana. First, we're going to dive into setting up your backlog project. You'll want to start by clicking on New Project and then selecting Blank Project in Asana. This project is where all of your ideas, plans, and tasks will be housed, so let's name it Product Backlog. Once that's done, you'll need to decide on your layout. If you prefer a prioritization list, choose List View, but if you're more familiar with the Kanban style, Board View would be ideal. Now, this is essential. Add sections or columns to organize your tasks effectively. I recommend sections like New Ideas, Ready for Review, Approved for Sprint, and Icebox for those lower priority items. Think of this as your central hub for all things backlog. The next step focuses on populating your backlog with user stories and features. In Asana, each task you create will represent a single backlog item. This could be a user story, a bug, or even a feature request. A good practice is to write these tasks in the user story format. As a user, I want features so that benefit. Fill in the task description with detailed information such as acceptance criteria, any supporting notes, or useful links. Making use of custom fields will enhance how you track these tasks. You might want to create fields for priority levels, effort estimates, in-story points, and status updates. This ensures everyone is on the same page and tasks are easy to assess at a glance. Once your backlog is set, you'll want to organize and prioritize it. This is where the magic of Asana's drag and drop feature comes in handy. It allows you to reorder your tasks based on priority quickly. Additionally, using filters to sort by aspects like priority, effort, or the person assigned keeps everything clear and concise. Make sure your top items are always ready for sprint planning. Creating a sprint project is the next logical step. Begin by setting up a new project, possibly naming it Sprint Number Date, and use the board view for easy navigation. You'll want sections such as To Do, In Progress, In Review, and Done. At the beginning of each sprint, multi-home selected backlog items into this sprint project. This means they'll be visible on both your main backlog and your sprint project, and any updates will automatically synchronize. Managing your sprint workflow effectively will ensure smooth operations. Assign tasks to team members, ensuring due dates align with sprint durations, typically about 1 to 2 weeks. If tasks require more detailed breakdowns, consider using subtasks and track any dependencies, like ensuring the API is finished before UI development began. Lastly, tracking progress using Asana's timeline and reporting features is vital. The timeline view can help you map out your sprint planning and maintain a balanced workload across the team. Dashboards are invaluable for tracking completed tasks, assessing velocity, and spotting bottlenecks in real time. During daily stand-ups, you can filter your tasks efficiently, and for sprint reviews, mark completed ones and return unfinished tasks to the backlog. Don't forget to create a recurring task for your sprint retrospectives to capture team feedback. With Asana's flexible toolset, managing your product backlog and sprint process becomes streamlined, collaborative, and incredibly organized.